Hi there, green thumbs. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of summer flowering plants and sharing some of the best ones you can add to your garden. So let's get started. Choose flowers in a variety of colors, heights, and bloom times for a garden that looks lovely and smells heavenly all season long. Group similar colors together for impact. Cut flowers to enjoy in packets. A diverse flower garden will attract pollinators like bees and butterflies too. The possibilities are endless when designing a flower garden and adding these beautiful blooms. Here below are 7 flower plants to plant in your home garden. Growing flower plants at home has many benefits, such as improving aesthetics, enhancing your mood, purifying hair, offering aromatherapy, providing educational opportunities, and being a rewarding hobby. Flowers add color, reduce stress, and anxiety, purify air by removing toxins. Some flowers also have a relaxing aroma and reduce your stress. Guys, you don't have to be an expert gardener or even have a lot of space to grow your own vegetables or flowers. Even if you have short space gardening, if you have small balcony or little scare of dirt in your yard, you can still grow things. So grow flowering plants at your home. So guys, avail this opportunity. Grow flowering plants at your home. Make your home better. With a flowering plant increase beauty of home. Thank you so much. Gardeners, watch my videos, press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. That promotes better sleep and reduce stress.